Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious Jaggery Oats cookies. First, let's gather our ingredients. You will need 1 1/2 cups of rolled oats, 1 cup of whole wheat flour, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Also, have 1/4 cup of softened butter, 1/2 cup of jaggery powder, and a pinch of salt ready. Ensuring everything is measured precisely is key for perfect cookies. Now, let's get mixing. In a large bowl, whisk together your rolled oats, whole wheat flour, baking soda, and salt. In a separate bowl, cream the softened butter and jaggery powder together for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's light and fluffy. Then, slowly incorporate the wet mixture into the dry ingredients, mixing until just combined to form your cookie dough. It's time to prepare our cookies for baking. Using a spoon or a small ice cream scoop, drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Make sure to leave about 2 inches of space between each cookie to allow for spreading. Bake these delightful treats in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes, or until golden brown. Once your Jaggery Oats cookies are baked to perfection, it's important to let them cool properly. Allow them to rest on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes before carefully transferring them to a wire rack. This helps them firm up and prevents breakage. Once completely cool, store your delicious cookies in an airtight container where they will stay fresh for up to 5 days. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.